Sometimes we say we got the world's luckiest chickens. Zoom in so you can see them down there. Chickens and ducks just wandering around, hang out as a pack. They free range all day long everywhere. Oh, they see me. You want to see them come running? They're trained for the oats. Hey everybody, what are you doing? Rainy day and you're all outside. You be inside, it's nice and warm in that greenhouse. Here, let me get some treats. 1 second. I'm gonna pause. Here comes the ducks. There you go. Throw some out there for the ducks. Here comes the ducks coming and running. Let's go, Blue, hurry up. You're missing out. World's luckiest chickens and ducks. Hi, Angel. Getting lots of rain. Self-filling pond's been filling. Cold weather's on the way. See ya.